What is going on, guys? Time has come to replace the engine air filter on this 2017 Ford Explorer, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This is pretty straightforward. It's a little different than the previous model Ford Explorer, so the 2011 to 2015 body style. So what you want to do is, oh, I just did it. What you want to do is, there's going to be a little bolt over here with an 8mm socket. What you want to do is just make it loose, and then once you do that, there's going to be a couple clips here. So there's going to be a clip right here, and then there's going to be a clip right here, and then you lift this up a bit, and then you just pull it, and once you lift it up from this side, you pull it that way, and this moves up, and then you can twist this. Once that's loose, you can twist it, and then you can pull. So what you can do is you can pull it from here. It'll probably require 2 hands. And then there, now we have access to the air filter. So just move this on a side, and then here is the air filter, and then we can go ahead and just drop the new filter in. Alright guys, a really easy way to put this back is what you would do is, see the little 3 clips here? You insert them in here, or the tabs. Once you insert them where they belong, what you can do is you can move this hole out of the way like that, and this just drops down. Make sure it's lined up, and put these clips back on so it holds it into place. Put the next clip. So once that's on, now you can put the little hose back on. See, so now it won't be hard to put that first and then put the tabs in and then clip it on. Now it's already in, so all we have to do is turn this back like that, and then tighten up the screws, or tighten up the screw. We only have 1 bolt here, and we are good to go. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped, guys.